The intention here is love and relationships. And what do I mean by that? You spend your whole life searching when you're already there. And then you're going to say to yourself, well, dang, that hasn't been my experience so far. No kidding, Sherlock. So you spend your whole life searching when you're already there. And what happens? You create these constructs that limit your experiences. Let's look at it from a point of the blueprint of consciousness. When you came before you were, and you're more than anything you will ever be. So therefore, if there's no beginning and there's no end, there's just the experience of experiencing self to better know self, then we're on a real journey. Can't beat that, can you? It's kind of like with the French. It's really hard within this construct that we live in right now. And the French have a very appropriate way of expressing it, and it's je ne sais quoi. So let's experience je ne sais quoi. What is it? Well, love, relationships. So what's the foundation of that? Let's create a metaphor. You need to live in a house. And you need to have a solid house that can withstand anything. So if you're going to build a solid house, you need a strong foundation, because otherwise, without a strong foundation, you can't put the roof on the house. And then, if you don't build a strong foundation, it can all crumble just like that. Now, if you build a strong foundation, but the roof blows off, at least you got something still to work with. So here we are. We're having a human experience, which is no different than the essence of the blueprint of consciousness. Experiencing self, to know self. And there is no limit to self. The only limitations are the ones that you create, the constructs that you create. Let's go back to the original essence of that of M, not I am, not of a higher self, just M, the quiet before the first thought. And then after the first thought, you come into this experience, which is another experience of experiencing self to know self. And you seek a partner to complete yourself. And why do you seek a partner to complete yourself when you're already complete before you started? And that's a real paradox of the human experience. And you'll say, yikes, damn. You can say many other things as well. But let's try to make things simple. If you want to experience love, why don't you start by loving yourself, being kind to yourself, and create a solid foundation to move forward with, not playing the game of life, but living life, experiencing life, experiencing yourself, and getting to know yourself. And then you may at some point align with somebody else that shares the same that you share, with self, to self, which is expressed through self, and that may align with somebody else and create an experience that may be unique for a short period of time, mid period of time, long period of time. But then what is time? Time is just another construct if you're looking at the bigger picture of things. So why would you limit yourself by attaching, instead of knowing self? Let's understand the basic concept. Know self, love self, be kind to self, and let that expression create the experience that you want to experience, versus creating constructs by making attachments to things, attachments to expectations of things, and attachments to the outcomes as a result of the expectations. So you're setting yourself up for failure, because if those don't align, the whole house, all the cards, 64 cards, just friggin', the deck falls apart. So how can you expect to have a relationship with somebody and truly experience the je ne sais quoi of the experience without limitation, because you've created these attachments? You've created attachments to expectations of those initial attachments, and then the outcomes thereof or thereafter. So let go. There is no higher self, because people try to tell you there's a higher self, there's all these other things. Why don't you just, first of all, start by loving self, understanding that of which you are, and being kind to yourself, and let go of societal constructs that are doing everything they can to manipulate them or you towards their will so they can benefit. And really, it may benefit you, it may not benefit you. But if you have these attachments, you'll never know. So I'm going to leave it at that at this juncture, at this point in time, because after I sign off, my thoughts are going to be different. That's just the M of M. Love and peace to everybody. Questions, comments, throw in chat. We'll continue this conversation here and before, after. You got to love it. Love and peace, folks. Ciao for now.